MA Prefab Rooms offer a combination of speed, cost savings, quality, flexibility, and sustainability, making them an attractive option for a wide range of building projects. Energy-efficient designs and materials, leading to lower energy consumption. This technology replaces rapidly the traditional construction because its light gauge and quick installation process. MA Engineering Solution customer service and after-sales services adding more values in this solution. Sandwich panel rooms provide an efficient, cost-effective, and versatile solution for constructing spaces that require excellent thermal insulation and structural integrity. MA Engineering Solution specializes in designing and fabricating pre-engineered and prefabricated buildings for diverse sectors. Our prefab rooms are highly sales in all over Pakistan, so call 032655 65550.